Wind generation is growing rapidly. Today, there is almost 20 gigawatts of offshore wind power. Over the next 10 years, this is expected to increase 5 times to over 100 gigawatts. There are increasing demands for more power per turbine and more remote, more challenging locations. Higher voltage and power capacity of WindSTAR transformers enable the world's largest wind turbines. WindSTAR transformers have important advantages for this challenging application. A compact and lightweight design enables easy installation in turbine nacelles or towers. Proven durability able to withstand powerful vibrations and accelerations in excess of 1.5 G. High efficiency to lower overall system losses and improve the levelized cost of energy. Filled with biodegradable and safe ester fluid, reduces environmental risk and increases safety. Available with digital capabilities, enabling real-time remote monitoring and data analytics, enhancing utilization and reliability. Designed to withstand wind power's challenging variable electrical loading. And with over 200 units installed, WindSTAR is the ideal solution to enable the world's most advanced offshore wind systems.
We are the partner of choice, from the nacelle to the connection point.